Is it possible to store your files in the cloud without exposing them to third parties? Well, yes, at least according to Internxt, a cloud storage provider that aims to create a privacy-friendly alternative to the likes of Google Drive. And with its lifetime plan, it could be a permanent solution to your file storage woes. But does picking privacy mean sacrificing usability? Watch this Internxt tutorial and find out. Before we start talking about how to use Internxt cloud storage, it's crucial to address one of the provider's main attractions, which is pricing. Initially, it seems pretty standard. There's a free version if you have minimal needs and a few annual subscription options with different feature packages. But if you look closely, you'll notice the Internxt cloud storage lifetime option. This sets Internxt apart from many other secure cloud storage providers by allowing you to unlock permanent cloud storage with a one-time payment. Plus, you can get a lifetime plan at an even lower price than usual using the link in the description below. Let's move on to the initial experience with Internxt. To demonstrate how to use Internxt cloud storage, I'll use a premium version of the service, which comes with handy extras like invite, share, and collaboration capabilities, as well as file versioning coming in the near future. Alternatively, you can follow along with the free version. Once you have an account, you'll need to download the Internxt app. The good news is that the service works with all major desktop and mobile operating systems. Just download the setup file for your device, go through the installation steps, and you're good to go. Or you can skip all of that and access Internxt through the web interface. Whichever path you prefer, you'll pick up Internxt in no time. It offers a no-nonsense, simple interface where everything is clearly laid out. You can add new files to the cloud using drag and drop or by clicking the bright blue Upload Files button in the top left. The process of sharing files through Internxt is just as easy. On the web app, you can share any file or folder with another person by sending them an email. Alternatively, you can use the web app or the dedicated app to create a shareable link that you can send yourself however you want. Your recipient doesn't even need an Internxt account to access the file. Plus, you can make the item password protected for extra peace of mind. In terms of backups, everything that you store on your Internxt drive is backed up and synchronized as soon as you're connected to the internet. On top of that, the mobile app includes an option to automatically back up the photos you take, making sure nothing disappears from your camera roll. Overall, the Internxt cloud storage user experience is undoubtedly intuitive. It keeps things simple and familiar compared to other best cloud storage providers, allowing you to migrate without needing to significantly change your habits. But does Internxt offer the kind of security and privacy that would actually convince you to switch to it? Let's find out. To start, Internxt is built on a solid foundation using a zero-knowledge architecture that guarantees that no one, not even Internxt employees, can view or access your files without proper authorization. On the technical side, Internxt implements end-to-end encryption to ensure that only you and the people you share your files with can decrypt them. On top of that, the provider is ready for the potential threat of quantum computing by using Kyber 512 post-quantum encryption. This helps make sure threat actors won't be able to decrypt your files even if they have access to quantum computers, which sounds like science fiction but is actually a realistic scenario given the pace of technological progress. Additionally, Internxt is fully open source, which makes it more reliable than many closed source rivals such as Google Drive. Basically, this allows security researchers to evaluate the provider's code whenever they want. Of course, that doesn't automatically guarantee anything, which is why Securitum has conducted a thorough independent evaluation of Internxt to confirm that everything is hunky-dory under the hood. It's also reassuring that Internxt's legal jurisdiction is in the EU, meaning it must comply with GDPR and other privacy-friendly laws in Europe. Lastly, Internxt encrypts your files and then splits them into fragments across different servers, which is an impressive feature I haven't seen in many other cloud storage services. That way your documents won't be readable by threat actors, even in the worst case scenario of a server breach. If all of these security features are up your alley, then check out the exclusive Internxt deal in the description below. Besides Internxt Cloud, the provider includes a few extra features to boost your online security and privacy, depending on your chosen plan. For example, the essential base tier includes an antivirus that scans your stored files for malware signatures. Next up is a VPN. It's pretty limited, offering only 5 server locations, but it's good enough for hiding your online activities and IP address. Meanwhile, upgrading to the premium plan unlocks cleaner, advanced file sharing permissions and file versioning once it becomes available. Lastly, choosing the ultimate plan adds even more extras, including CLI and WebDAV support, NAS, and rclone integration, as well as Internxt Meet and mail. Internxt offers a strong set of features, but as with any privacy-first service, there are some trade-offs to consider. First off, all these extra layers of encryption result in slightly slower upload and download speeds compared to mainstream cloud storage providers. Secondly, since Internxt isn't as widespread as it should be, it doesn't have as many app integrations as Google Drive or Dropbox. If you can live with these trade-offs, then be sure to use the discount below to sign up for Internxt. In conclusion, Internxt is a reliable option for users who want a long-term cloud storage solution without constant renewals. It offers an impressive range of privacy guarantees that many rivals don't, but those perks do come at the cost of integrations and speeds. Still, the interface is intuitive and straightforward, which is really all you need from a daily cloud storage solution. That wraps up my Internxt tutorial. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think of this privacy-oriented storage provider, and I'll see you in the next one.